Alright, update for Jasmy. This is going to be one of my quickest updates that I've done on Jasmy because, as you can see, we've had a mass capitulation today. We're down 36.5%. Now, it's not really the percent that is annoying about this. It's the fact that we do not have any more price targets. Let me show you. If I zoom out to the macro term, you can clearly see there's no data traded below the level that we're at right now, apart from these lows that we've got down here, and we've got these marked by this green line in the sand right here. Apart from this, there is no trend line. Obviously, we were heading up in this trend line, so there's no trend line heading down that we can expect support on, you know, unless you wanted to try and extrapolate something like this. But then, like I said, I mean, we do not even have this as a confirmed bottom yet, so we don't have any trend lines where we're at right now. We have one horizontal ray before we break down into price discovery to the downside, which it is looking like it could be very likely that Jasmy's about to do. We've got tons and tons of selling volume stepping in. Typically when you're dropping, you know, you're breaking below an important trend line, you'd want to see bearish volume start to subside, or if anything, you'd want to see a lot of bullish volume step in. But what we're seeing instead, we're seeing a bearish engulfing candle in both the volume and the price chart. This is very worrying. If we look at the squeeze momentum indicator, you can also see this is heading down very, very fast. Unsurprisingly, I don't think I need to tell you that the bearish momentum is in the favor of the bears. Well, or should I say the momentum is in the favor of the bears. We're completely capitulating. I've been talking about this for the past couple of weeks for Jasmy, really. We were able to make a successful trade on Jasmy because we were very, very patient, and we were looking for an opportune moment to hop in the market. While a lot of people were randomly jumping in and out, we were waiting for that perfect trade. We made it. We made a good profit on it, and since then we've been very patient. We've been looking for a good entry and a bottoming signal, but we haven't seen it, and it's a good thing we have been sitting on the sidelines because the entire altcoin market has capitulated. And you've probably heard me talk about this in my Jasmy videos. You've probably heard me talk about this. I mean, if you click on any altcoin video I've done in the past week, I've been saying I'm not trading altcoins, I'm sticking on the sidelines. And for the past couple of days I've been saying my only trading plan while Bitcoin is capitulating is to buy more Bitcoin between the levels of 34,000 and 29,000. I have lots of buy orders set down at 29,000. It's very, very annoying. We barely hit my price order, so it really didn't fill this morning. We came down a couple of hours ago and my order only got filled like 20 or 30%. I think it was 26%. So I'm still looking for more of my order to get filled, but you know, Bitcoin looks like it wants to head down to these lower levels. We've got lots of bearish volume coming in, and Jasmy is really leading the way on this. Like I said, we've been talking about this on my Discord. I've been talking about this in my altcoin videos. I've been saying my only trading plan is to buy Bitcoin at this moment in time because I think altcoins are going to get slaughtered. You can see I posted this about 22 hours ago on my Twitter. I said, I love being a moon boy when it's bullish. You know me, if you watch my channel for the past couple of months, when it is bullish, I love being a moon boy. But looking at things objectively, the US dollar index is super bullish, the stock market's super bearish, and altcoin holders are about to get slaughtered. I posted this 22 hours ago when we were sitting in a sea of green. Yesterday, when we were having a relief rally for a lot of these altcoins, everyone was getting euphoric. And I was warning you. I warned you in the Discord. I told you I'm only buying Bitcoin. A lot of people have been asking me, should I buy this? Should I buy this? Should I buy this in the Discord? And I've literally been saying, my only plan is to buy Bitcoin. I've been saying Bitcoin's king. I retweeted Ben Cohen, shout out Ben Cohen, one of the greatest crypto YouTubers out there, saying do not marry an altcoin. And I very much agree with what he has to say. So also, if you do want to follow my Twitter, I'm just gonna, might as well shill it, at 618_cowboy. I really just share memes, I share crypto charts, and I share pictures of NFTs that I hold. So, you know, if those type of things interest you for some reason, then this is my Twitter. My Twitter's for you at 618_cowboy. So, like I said, it's going to be a somewhat quick video. We've already gone through the TA. There is no more support below us for Jasmy, and it's annoying because I drew fibs. I drew micro fibs. You can see this fib that we were running off here. the 618 target, or sorry, the 1.618 target is in the minuses. So as we've invalidated the floor from this, it is gone. Drawing from this movement, this micro movement, you can see we've already tanked below the 1.618. So your 2.618 would be your next target, would it? The 2.618 is in the minuses, so we can't run off that. And I do not feel like drawing this fib would have any value whatsoever. I don't feel like we'd be running off a Fibonacci from like a 2-day time frame, so I'm not going to be including that. I do think we are going to continue to break down a little bit more. My personal price target for Jasmy is round about 0.008 cent. Bear in mind, Jasmy's market cap is a lot higher than you think. On coin market cap, I haven't checked it in the past 2 days. I imagine it must be around 60 or 70 million right now. It previously said like 90 million or 100 million the last time I checked it, like a week ago. I imagine it's a lot lower than that now. To be fair, we're down 35%. It probably says it's like 60 million, but the market cap is not 60 million, and the circulating supply is not 10%. It's a lot higher than that. CoinMarketCap doesn't report on it. If you do want to know the entire logistics, I recommend clicking on my channel and searching for the video Jasmy token supply. I did a whole video where we went through the website Etherscan, because obviously Jasmy is an ERC20 token, which is tokenized on the Ethereum blockchain. So we can look at all the data, we can look at the tokenomics, we can look at the token distribution, etc, 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 and that is exactly what we did. 10% of the supply is not out. Binance holds over 16% of the supply in one wallet. So yeah, do not listen to what CoinMarketCap say. This can get a lot uglier. The market cap is in the hundreds of millions. This can capitulate very, very hard. And like I said, there's no price targets. So the only advice that I'd have at this moment in time is my trading plan is just to buy Bitcoin. It has been a godsend because everything's getting slaughtered against Bitcoin. Jasmy's down 35% today and Bitcoin's down 5%. So, you know, every day I've been buying Bitcoin on spot. And what does that mean? That means that I can now use that Bitcoin to buy Jasmy for about 30% cheaper. Am I going to be doing that? No. I expect lower price targets. That's what I'm waiting for. That's all I've got for Jasmy. Best of luck if you're in the markets. I hope you're not over leveraged into altcoins during this scary season. Also, if you want to join the Discord, the link is in the description down below. I talk about a lot of time sensitive information in there, so hope to see you over there. All I've got, Galway out. Peace.